Hello, my final project for the Microcontroller Applications course is a Ringtone Generator. This project uses an MSP430G2553 Microcontroller from Texas Instruments, mini speakers that can plug directly into your breadboard. Just make sure that's plugged in. Code Composer Studios, and MATLAB. Now the first thing you want to do is compile and run your code, which I've already done. Next, assuming you can find the notes to your favorite song, you can make a frequency and duration vector, which you can plug directly in to your note maker function in MATLAB. Now, I've already made my frequency vector and my duration vector, so I'll run my function with my inputs. And right now that's exporting a string into Code Composer. Now for demonstration purposes, I will play the song I chose to emulate, which is Paranoid by Ty Dolla $ign. Okay, I'll stop that. Now, I'll press a button on the launch pad, which will export the sound to the speakers. All right, and that's my project. Thank you for watching.